أعزائي متابعين قناة ديزادويك، مرحبا بكم. اليوم 13 ديسمبر 2022. احنا الآن في السويقة، بالضبط في شارع الكتب القديمة. التقينا بسائح من بولندا، سيد بيتر، يعطينا انطباعاته حول المدينة ويعني تعرفوا عليه. Mr. Peter, good morning.
Good morning.
We come to Algeria, Qustontin precisely, and we come with our YouTubers followers. Can you give us some introduction about you and your opinion about the city Algeria and the city also?
Introduction about me. I just came yesterday here to Algeria to spend here a week, and Qustontin is the first city which I'm visiting, and I must say that it's beautiful. It's crazy that there is a city built just on the canyon, and the architecture, the food, everything here is great so far, and I'm really looking forward to see more and more.
And how you know about this city? What's your first information about the city? How you decided to visit Qustontin?
It was quite easy. I just googled which cities are worth visiting in Algeria, and any picture of Qustontin is just beautiful, so I just decided to fly here from Algeria.
So let me understand your situation. You see the photos, the city is beautiful, amazing, and you decide to visit this beautiful country. That's the normal way to visit Algeria. Now, YouTube and social media are presenting our country to world. Welcome to my country, Algeria, and I hope you to enjoy the city in your stay. Last word, please.
Thank you very much for having me on your channel, and all the best for you as well.
Welcome another time. You are a pleasure. It's our pleasure that you are here. Thank you, my friend Peter.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
العفو والغفران نسأل يا